Thank you, James Jacobs. Hi, Carlos. Good morning. Wait lang, guys. My space is small. Oh, I'm just already... I'm going to fall na nga. Oh, see? It's already sleeping. Ba yan? Don't be like that. I'm going to get him and then put him, put him outside. Oh, see? Hi, wake up! Still sleeping. Don't have space na. Dito lang ako. I can't sit properly. I can't sit properly, guys. That's why. Dito na lang ako. Hindi ba? I'm the one to adjust. Adjust. Coffee. Coffee first. Then, it's laundry time. Hindi siya. My hair. I don't comb my hair. I can't find the comb. Oh my God. I don't know where did I put the comb. Yun na nga siya eh. It's already currently coughing. Coffee time. Hi, Erin Nelson. I just woke up. Just woke up. That's why. Coffee first, then housework again. Oh my God. This is my everyday routine. Why are you watching me? Ha? Ako na mag-adjust sa pusa akong tulog. Hi, first them guys. Hi. Hi. My name is Lucky. I'm 4 years old. You're old, Lucky? Old ka na pala. 4 years old ka na. I get the spoon. Baka matusok pa yung mata ko. Huwag mong ano yan. Huwag mong don't bite that. How are you, Elijah? Long time no see. How are you? I wanna play for trying to tell me. Sarap naman ang tulog ng pusa ko, guys. Look, my cat. He sleep well. Ano naman yung chance? What's that? What do you mean? Wala, nahilo ako, guys. Hello, Andre. Hello, I am from Brazil. Hello, Fast Splitter. Hi, Fast Splitter. Morning from Philippines.